Interpolation is made possible by a principal chord. In GIS or geography, this interpolation is made possible by spatial autocorrelation, spatial autocorrection, thematic autocorrelation, or thematic autocorrection. What is the correct answer? It's spatial autocorrelation, option number 1. Now, this person is Waldo Tobler, and he gave the first law of geography, which is everything which is related to everything else, but near things are more related than distant things. So this is the first law, foundation of spatial dependence and spatial autocorrelation. That is how much or how the things closer are related and how the things which are farther are related. So this refers to the presence of systematic spatial variation in a map variable. Spatial is all about a position or location, and this where the adjacent observations are similar data values. Map shows positive spatial autocorrelation. Now in this picture, if you see, all these which are together are white, so they are showing a positive spatial autocorrelation. On the left one, if you see, that colors are different, that is the next cell is altogether different from the previous cell, so the negative spatial autocorrelation is there. Now this interpolation or autocorrelation, there are certain indexes like Moran index, z-score, p-value, those which are dispersed, that is somewhere it is white, somewhere it is gray, somewhere it is black, but in the clustered form they are all together, so the autocorrelation is significant in this case. On the left you see it is dispersed, so the autocorrelation will be lesser, and in between if it is random, then it will be in between. The autocorrelation, spatial autocorrelation will be normal, but higher when they are clustered.